Hello student, in this lectures I am going to talk about weed and their control. And before that, what is meant by weeds? The plants are differentiated into crops which meet the need of man and weed which compete with crops. The first person to use the word weed in the present day meaning was by Jethro Tull. Subsequently, several definitions was proposed as about the weed. A weed is a plant growing where is not wanted. That is called a weed. And also, weed is an unwanted plant, or otherwise a plant out of place, or a plant that is extremely noxious, useless, unwanted, or poisonous. That may be called as a weed. There are several definitions about the weed. And any plant or vegetation excluding fungi interfering with the objective or requirement of the people is also called weed. So from this definition it can be seen that as long as a plant is not interfering with the human activities, it is not called as a weed. What is the weed of the problem? Weed deplete the crop environment of nutrient, water and sunlight, and crop yield are reduced considerably by weeds. In addition, weeds interfere, it causes inconvenience to agricultural operation, and the quality of the produce is reduced by weed inspection. And what are the classification of weeds? There are 30,000 species of weed around the world, of which about 18,000 causes serious losses to crops. Though the weeds can be classified in different ways, the important of classification that helps in selection of weed control method are based on the cotyledonary numbers and morphological and other characteristics. The classification base may be biennial weeds, that means they complete their life cycle in 2 years or 2 seasons. Perennial weeds, they are grown for more than 2 years. These weeds propagate by plant pods in addition to seeds. The cotyledon, based on the number of cotyledons, weeds are classified in monocotyledons and dicotyledons. This classification are useful to weed for chemical weed control. Sometimes the herbicide like 2,4-D, MCPA, etc. are more effective in dicotyledons weeds, while Dolophon, flucorline are most effective in monocotyledon weeds. So, what are the weeds and their classification? We can see now how we can control the methods by weeds. It was controlled by cultural practices, or maybe either physical, either chemical, and even biological method. So every methods of weed control has its own advantages and disadvantages. By cultural method of weed, the cultural practice like tillage, planting, fertilizer application, irrigation. In this method we can employ it for creating favorable condition for the crops. This is a cultural practice. In physical methods, the physical force, either manual or animal or mechanical power, we can pull out or killing the weeds. This is depending upon the weeds and crop situation or combination of the method. By following method, that is hand weeding, hand hoeing, digging, mowing, cutting, dreading or chaining, pruning and flaming, mulches, intercultivation. By biological weed control, nowadays the interest it increases in the biological control of weeds, especially for aquatic weeds, or other methods involve much labor and cost. This method have to reduce the repeated as all the weeds, or at least those which reproduce vegetatively have long seed viability are difficult to control. Bioagents like insects, pathogen, etc. and other animals are used to control the weeds. The insects and pathogen influence the weeds, and they are either reduce the growth or even kill the weeds. In biological control method, it is not possible to eradicate weed, but its population can be reduced. These are about the weeds and their control measure. Thank you.